So one of the things that you can utilize Claude for is for data analysis. So to do that, you need to click on the plus button and then click on add files or folders right here. So let's just go around over here, and let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here onto my folder where I have, let's say, a sales data in CSV format right here. So let's just go ahead and then update this out right here. So now I want to analyze out the sales data I have right here, which I have uploaded. So I'm going to go ahead and say I have attached the sales data here from the last 12 months. Let's say, for example. So you can go ahead and say analyze the data set and identify, let's say, for example, key trends. And I'm going to say seasonal patterns, and let's say I'm going to say top performing products, and let's say I'm going to say and areas of concern, let's say, for example, right here. And I'm going to go ahead and say present your findings in a business friendly report. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say that as well. So as I do that and hit send, it'll go ahead and take this particular data and it'll read off the data that there is in this particular CSV file. So you can see that it is reading and analyzing the CSV file right here. You can see that it's actually analyzing, and there's the full analysis of the sales data, as you can see right here. So it's actually going ahead and using coding right here to analyze out what has been sold and the profit and everything right here. So you can see it viewed 2 files and ran 2 commands, and now I actually asked it to present the finding in a business friendly report. So you can see it is installing docx right here, just like this, so that it can give me a document format itself. So you can see that this is what you have. It's actually processing. So you just need to go ahead and wait for the document to get generated now. So it's drawing charts and so forth, polishing the dashboard, as you can see right here. So now you can see that it's giving me the data. Like now you can see like there's the total revenue right here, the total units sold, best month, and there's quarter versus quarter 4 versus first quarter growth right here. Then you can see the revenue by month and everything right here. It's analyzing out everything so that it can give me a visual data right here. So it's still processing right here, and you can see the key insights right here as well. Like you can see the laptop pro dominates the revenue, and there's the areas of concern right here and so forth. So it's drawing out the charts, and you can see like this is what you have right here. As you can see, you can go ahead and download out this file as well right here, and you can see that it is now generating out a downloadable Word report right here. So you can see that this is what you have. It's using code to generate this out. So it gave you the basic detail, which is actually interactive right here as well. So as you hover over, you can see it is interactive, and it is generating out a report as well, for which you need to wait for a while. And now you can see that it has generated out the report, and it is giving me the doc format. So you can see that I can download out the doc as well. And over here on the right hand side, you can see the preview of the sale performance in a business friendly report. So you can see the executive summary, you can see the monthly performance, you can see the seasonal pattern right here, and everything right here. And on top of that, you got the visual data right here, just like this as well. So that is basically how you can actually go ahead and utilize Claude for data analysis easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.